Here when you were electing your last two presidents, they were elected in my country. We as Uganda and AMISOM accepted the outcome of the elections. Even if I disagreed with it, that is my personal opinion, but I respect the opinion of the population. And that's what democracy entails. For now, we have come also to an agreement that the Parliament, through the Speaker, be suspended for a period of time until we guarantee you security in your house. We as AMISOM, we shall take security of Parliament. Until a time whereby the atmosphere is good for all of you to sit in your house and deliberate the emotions that you have. I gave through 3 options to the professor. One option was for them to accept with the executive that we take charge of the whole of Parliament so that they deliberate in a free atmosphere. The second option is if they fail that, then we need to look for a neutral ground. The third option, which is the worst case scenario, was for me to pull out and leave you to sort out your problems. And I know the third option, I will have done a disservice to my people. So I go with the 2 options. In this time that we are giving time, as we are preparing for the security of Parliament, we encourage dialogue between the executive and the legislature. And I really appeal to you, honorable members of Parliament, to discuss freely so that you come to a common ground. This country is all for us. This country is enough for all of you. Nobody is going to be closed outside the door. We need to accept one another. I will also take the same message that I got from the Honorable Speaker to the executive to tell them that we have called off so that dialogue continues until we secure Parliament, and at the time which the Speaker will instruct the Chief Whip to call Parliament, that people can sit in an atmosphere that there is no intimidation. To my people who are in armed, who are in combat like this, my message to them, they must accept to be the people's force. You cannot be in uniform if you cannot respect the population. So if we put our population first, then we are on the right course. And as you are going through your deliberations, I would appeal to you, honorable members of Parliament, that you need to understand the fragility of your state.
waxaan ka codsanayaa oo ugu dhiirigelinayaa in mar walba oo arrinta ku dhex jirtaan inaad xusuusnaataan dalku aad guulaysa.
We can agree with one another.
taasoo kulifaysa inaanu markaas aanu
I wish you all the best. See you again when you are deliberating, and I wish you good luck. Thank you very much.